pull this down. That's the one that you pull up on it. All the way down. There you go. All right, try it.
Oh God. Oh my God.
Hook up and move it closer and I'll throw some more of the box fall out. I think I cleaned the whole thing. I got all the slack out.
All right. God. Look, she's taking a shit while you're cleaning out. Oh my God. Oh God. It's been a long time since I recorded on this thing. Anyway, if it's not pretty clear, we're gonna spread some more manure today. It's real windy out here, and I do not have a little thing, whatever they call that, to cover the mic. One of them windbreakers, so hopefully this audio isn't completely terrible. Also, why is this truck? Oh my god. Alright, well, anyway, again, sorry that it's so windy. I'm gonna try and do the best I can with the audio. But yeah, we're gonna be spreading some more manure today, so I'm gonna get back to that once we get the old spreader full. That's on.
Here's all the stuff you ordered, directions, a little drill bit they sent us.
A little cheap Chinese drill bit.
Yeah, it works.
Hopefully.
Or you want the good drill or you want this one?
I don't care. What? Why would they paint over that?
Just in case yours failed, we got the good one.
I don't think this one's gonna fail.
So what are we gonna do? We're gonna put 3 of them in this one.
Yeah, I think so.
So we're gonna put 1 in the front and 2 on the sides. I think it'd be better if we kind of like did like this. That way if we get it into a corner,
Yeah, but the only thing I was thinking is if once they get, since they're not gonna be the coop cans, if they're bigger.
Is that
lot.
that hard?
I don't.
Are you are you on high speed or low speed?
Yeah, I think I was on low. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I'm saying, man.
Yeah, I was like, there ain't no way it's that hard. Hold on. Let me clean up these edges.
All right, I'm gonna lay it down.
Maybe.
Phew.
How hot plastic? Hold on. We're supposed to have, our instructions say we're supposed to have 2 gaskets. Yeah, that nylon stuff
Oh,
smells
what
like.
on the inside?
No, I think it's 2 on the back.
No, look at yours.
Look, that's what it, ain't it?
Oh, it is.
I don't know, we'll try it and
Well, if they give it to you, because there's a little bit of a curve, they all the same.
I think so. Looks like it anyway.
There's spots.
Yeah, they all look like they're the same thing. Oh, excuse me.
Gotta get some tools out of the big toolbox over there. I don't know if I have anything big enough for that.
Probably just use a crescent. They shouldn't need much, you know.
Oh, no.
We have those 2 big crescent wrenches. Remember that one we freed up? That one I spent like how many hours?
Clean up.
Where's it at? There it is. I rescued this thing.
The old faithful. Let's see if it's big enough. It's not. Oh,
Is this one big enough?
no.
It's probably the same size, ain't it? Yeah. Just channel locks.
Yeah.
You can just hold it in there and then I'll run the nut on there or whatever.
All right, I got these to start with.
I gotta remember these are left-handed threads. I'm gonna...
Should it turn a little?
What do you mean?
Right there.
I think that's good.
I almost think you're not gonna have to do that tight.
I was gonna say, let's just, if you want to put that on there, we'll just do a little turn with it. I don't. Got it?
Yeah.
I'll check it.
Yeah.
That's pretty. I'll do one more.
Yeah, because them are just plastic.
I'm gonna say right there.
Yeah, I'd say.
Because that's I mean, I can still turn it with my fingers, but
Let's fill her up for the next hole.
I guess we'll just have to see. I mean, if it leaks, we'll just have to tighten it up, and then
You might have to put some stuff on it.
I might have to put more tape on this because I didn't put a lot, but we'll
Oh,
try.
you don't need it. Or is it up where you need to be? You see
No.
it?
I don't know, you looking at that, I feel like it's a little too high, don't you think? Yeah. 'Cause I mean, it's gonna have to have at least 12 gallons for them to even get any water out of it, you know?
Yeah, I won't think it'll be that.
Huh?
I don't think it'll be that.
No, I mean, I'm just.
I was thinking,
Only thing,
if we had a
like,
5-gallon bucket, we could test it. See
the
how
only reason I say that is because we could have put it like lower instead of 6.5. We could have done like 3.5. Because what I was thinking anyway, which whenever you started talking, I wasn't thinking about it. I wanted to like leave it down like this for them whenever they were younger. And then once they started getting bigger, put it up on blocks.
Oh. Hell yeah.
Because we're probably gonna have to do that anyway, even it being that high. We're gonna have to put it up on blocks so that way whenever, like that's fine from the little, but it's gonna have to be up there.
I'm going around the town, too. Ooh,
And this is why I wish I had a different fan. So we're just gonna let it fill up here and see if it leaks. I mean, they're all working. I think we did another fine job, Pap. Keep put my hand in front of it. Anyway.
next week, then we'll have to get more oil change.
I mean, I think it's good.
Me too.
I mean, they all work, and I guess that's gonna, can it even see me? I guess that's gonna conclude this video here. It's been like a week since I recorded the first part of this video. I was waiting on these nipples to show up. They finally did. But anyway, have to join me hopefully here soon on another, I guess, part 2 of this. We're going to build a feeder out of another one of these. And then sometime this spring get some piggies. Anyway, thanks for watching.